Okay. So, Benutils, we did our make cake check. We got the same error here that we just got with the glibc, that do check failed. Okay. And I got that before. That's nothing new to me. And I can continue and I can boot without worrying about this. Make tooldir equals user install. Okay. Benutils. Benutils is done. Forever. So, let's jump back up where we will remove Benutils build, Benutils extract a package. GMP is next. GMP package contains math libraries. These have useful functions for arbitrary precision arithmetic. tar xvf GMP with a space. CD and GMP. Okay. And we have to say, it says here, if you're building for a 32-bit x86, but you have a CPU that's compatible. If you're building for a 32-bit, you read this here. Check that out. Okay. I'm building for 64-bit, so I know I have to do this at the bottom. But if you were doing this on a 32-bit, I would check into that also. Let's say enable CXX doc dir is equal to user share doc GMP dash 6.0.0a. And the package generate HTML documentation, so we can say make and make HTML. There's also a critical test here we have to run. So I can string these together. That's what I think I'm going to do. Make, let's say make and make HTML and make check 2 and into N1 standard out error, standard error, pump the standard out, T that off to GMP check dash log. Okay, and this is going to take maybe 4 or 5 minutes, something like that. So I'm going to let that go off, and after this we'll see if our mandatory 188 tests have passed. We'll go from there. Peace out.